first day of your CCNA course. You're sat there, all ready to impress, and then the professor strolls in like he owns Cisco itself, and then he says, "Does anyone here know what a network is? You're a bunch of brainless schmucks." No. I'm sorry. I just got a bit excited. It's just starts over, man. I shouldn't have said that. So the professor goes like, "Does anyone here know what a network is?" And you go like, "A network is 2 or more devices connected to share data." And he's like, "No, that's not what a network is. A network is when 2 or more devices connect to share information and resources."
But what the hell, boy?
Right, prof, just listen to me, yeah? You've literally just said the same thing. You only added resources just to sound smart. Like, what are you on about? That's when I realized professors don't want your answers. They only want their answers. Like, how the f am I supposed to know what's in your head, mate? Yeah, there's no way. You need a magician. You could be thinking about your Wi-Fi password, or my half of the class already looks unemployed. So today, let's talk about what a network really is. Look, my friend, a network is basically a system that connects multiple devices together. Computers, phones, routers, servers, so they can exchange information and share resources. Oh, that is actually, my friend, a textbook version of it. Whenever you send a message on WhatsApp, stream a video, or play an online game, you're using a network. That's what lets your phone talk to other phones. Your laptop accesses a printer, your router connects to the internet. Everything actually relies on networking. Think of it like this. If you and your friend are talking, you're both using the same language, right? So computers do the same thing, but instead of language, they use something called protocols. And protocols, my friend, are sets of rules that define how devices communicate. The most common one is TCP/IP, and it's basically what makes the entire internet work. So when your phone sends data, it's following those exact rules to make sure it reaches the right place and right destination without crashing halfway like a confused Uber driver. Alright, picture this. A network is like a city. The devices are the buildings, the data is the traffic, and the cables and wireless signals are the roads. And routers and switches are the traffic officers. They decide which path your data should take to reach its destination as fast as possible. If routers did not exist, data would just wander aimlessly around in the internet. It's like lost in a shopping mall. Networks come in several forms, like PAN, Personal Area Network, short-range links such as Bluetooth, and LAN, Local Area Network, your home office or university network, and MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, used across cities. And we've got WAN, Wide Area Network, large-scale networks such as the internet. Right, so when your home network connects your laptop and phone to the router, your router connects to your ISP, Internet Service Provider, and from there, you're linked to the global network that spans the world. So every functional network relies on 4 essential elements. First, end devices, such as computers, phones, servers, printers. Second, network devices, such as routers, switches, access points. Third, transmission media, like cables, fiber optics, or wireless signals. Fourth, protocols, as we said, the rules that govern communication. So if we remove any of these elements, the structure collapses. Right, so let's see how data actually travels. Here's what happens when you send a message online. Your device splits it into small packets of data. Each packet carries the sender's IP address and the receiver's IP address and the actual data inside. These packets then travel through multiple routers and switches until they reach their destination. Once all packets arrive, the device reassembles them into your original message. And that entire process actually happens in milliseconds. You press send and your message has already arrived through half the planet before you even blink. So why are networks important? Without networks, none of this exists. No cloud, no online games, no Google, no YouTube, nothing. Businesses wouldn't function, governments couldn't communicate securely, and society would basically go back to sending pigeons. That's how powerful networks are. So if you ever get asked what a network is, just say this. According to Cisco, a network is a collection of interconnected devices such as computers, servers, routers, switches, and other hardware that communicate with one another to share data and resources and services. These devices are linked by communication paths which can be wired or wireless, allowing users to exchange information efficiently and securely. Sounds smart, right? So yeah, that's what a network really is. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Peace.